When you run a state agency like DNREC, a lot of your work has to do with the Delaware General Assembly, the members of the state legislature. We, as the environmental experts in state government, often provide the expertise, the technical resources, the research to help them figure out how to do that and what to do. So it is a great partnership that works both ways.
Serving as the bridge between DNREC and the General Assembly really helps us get across to the public the things that we do, the programs that we have, and what we're doing to protect natural resources and our environment.
DNREC's experts provide us with the information and the data we need to make meaningful legislation that has a positive impact on the communities we serve.
It's going to take both the Department of Natural Resources as well as the legislature working together so that we can really keep Delaware a great place to live, not just for today, but for tomorrow.
This is not a partisan situation. What we're trying to do is to work with DNREC to make the best things happen in the best way, the most effective and most efficient way, so that the citizens are best served. And that's hopefully why Delaware legislators work with DNREC.